Do you guys think we could get carpal tunnel from like blending? I mean, is it just me or do I look like I should be in one of those Carl's Jr. commercials? Like, so I low-key look like Squidward right now. Hey guys, Yes here, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about today's video because I'm actually partnering up with Ipsy to show you guys the products that I got in this month's glam bag. So I'm really excited about this video. It is a get ready with me to go on a little girls day. Roxanne and I are gonna go get acai bowls after this. We're just gonna have a little like girls day in Venice. We're gonna go take pictures, hence like the glow because we need to get the glow and yes. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look using this month's Ipsy glam bag, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with a face mask. I'm going to be going in with the BioRace Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. I feel like my skin's looking a little bit dull right now, so I really want to like brighten it up. And this mask also gets rid of impurities and it really tightens up your pores, which just gets you like perfectly ready for makeup. So I decided to go in with a brush because right now, as you can see, I have some really long claws and it gets messy. They get under there. It's kind of gross. So that's why we're going in with a brush. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be back with poreless, glowy skin. So I'm gonna go wash this off because it's nice and dry. I'm looking like Squidward right now, so I'll be back. All right guys, so actually we're gonna cancel the rest of the video because my skin looks so good. Like we're pretty much done. Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna go in with my Precisely My Brow Pencil for my brows. Eyebrows make such a big difference. Oh my god. Alright, so now to clean them up, I'm going to be going in with a little bit of concealer and a flat brush. And I'm just going to underline right under my brow so it could really be nice and defined. Alright, so for my eye look, I'm going to be going in with the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette, and we're going to be going in for a half cut crease. And I kind of want to go with like spring, summery, like soft color, so that's what we're going to be doing today. First, we're going to be going in with the color Toasty, which is this one right here, and it's kind of like a taupey brown, kind of. We're just going to go in with the fluffy brush. This one is from Sigma. It's the E40 brush. We're just going to go ahead and go on our crease in here. Just kind of blend it all in. Blending is the key to a perfect eye look. So even when your hand gets tired, just keep on going, girl. So now we're going to be going in with the shade Henna, which is this one right here, and it's more like a brown, like a chocolatey red brown kind of. We're just going to go ahead and take the same brush and pretty much follow the same motions. And we're going to be going in with the smaller brush in just a sec. And since we are doing a half cut crease, we want to make sure to bring in the color all the way in because that's really going to help us have like a really nice, clean cut crease. Alright, so we really want to get in our crease, so I'm going to be going in with this brush. This one is from Ruby, and it is the number 04099, and we're going to go in with that same color Henna. You want to wipe off the excess, and then we're just going to kind of go in here. Yes! I really like this brush when I do cut creases because it's just like really soft, and it just like really gets in there. But can you see like the difference that it makes? It's just like, hello, and this one's kind of like, and this one's like, yes. And it's because, you know, we really got in there. So we're just gonna go in here, just blend it out. Yes. Okay, we're gonna do the same over here. This is honestly like a must-have if you're doing cut creases, because I used to do it with more of a flat brush like this one right here, but it just ended up like coming out really sloppy. So I really like how this one works. All right, so it is now time to cut the crease, and I'm gonna be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Fair Neutral, but honestly, as long as it's just like a concealer and it's like light, it doesn't really matter what shade you use. I mean, obviously don't use like a dark shade, but like a lighter shade. And then this is from BH Cosmetics, and it's just like a flat brush, just like so. And then we're just gonna go ahead and use that to really cut the crease. So we're just gonna start down here. We're gonna go about like halfway. Well, it's a little bit more than halfway, but. So like so. I'm gonna do this a little bit more in here, perfect. And now we're gonna do the other eye. Fun fact, I'm only wearing one contact right now because I ran out of right ones and they take a while to be made because I'm really blind. So doing this right now is like, it's really a thing. It's really a thing because I can't really see, so. Like I actually can't see, so. All right, so for my crease, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Beaming and Bittersweet, which are these two right here. First, I'm gonna go in with Beaming, and this one we're gonna go like on the inner part of the eye. And this brush is, I don't know where it's from, and it doesn't have a name on it. But it's just kind of like angled a little bit. Yes, cool, okay. So we're gonna go in here. This is like a really pretty like beaming shade because that's the name. Okay, so we're just gonna go in here and we're kind of gonna bring it in about 3/4 of the way because we're gonna be using the Bittersweet shade to really just kind of like blend it and tie it all together. All right, and now we're gonna go in with the shade Bittersweet, which is this one right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and go in this area right here, which is like the end of the cut crease going into the corner. And then it just kind of blends in really nicely. All right, we're hoping that the lashes go on right and they don't embarrass me on camera because they tend to do that sometimes. So now we're gonna be going in with my Professional, and you guys know that I absolutely love this primer because your girl has really, really large pores, which is also why we use a mask in the beginning, because this is just gonna make us completely poreless, girl. What is a pore? I don't know. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in. I like to mainly focus like on this area right here, especially like around my nose and right here, just because it's like really living there. So we are gonna go everywhere, but I like to start here, really focus more of the product there. All right, so now I'm gonna be going in with my Too Faced foundation, and it is Born This Way. And if you have watched my Instagram videos, you obviously know that this has been my favorite because it's all I've been wearing lately. All right, so to highlight my face, I'm gonna be going in with a mix of my Pretty Vulgar concealer and a little bit of Shape Tape. So I'm just gonna go in like this with this one, which is a little bit darker, and this is in the shade Undercover. I think that's the shade. So I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna do the same over here. I would usually use only the Shape Tape, but this one is in a lighter shade, so I don't want to look too like ashy and just weird with the tan. So I'm just gonna go in with this one in Fair Neutral, and I'm kind of just gonna go in here very lightly, and maybe in here. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Damn, not to toot my own horn, but it's already looking so good. And it is super hot out today, so you guys know that I don't always bake, but if it's hot out and I know that I'm gonna be melting a little bit, I definitely will. So I'm gonna be going in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I'm actually gonna use the flat end because look at how perfect that is. Yes. The particles taste good. Perfect. So now we are gonna be going in with the Too Faced, what is this? The Sweetheart Bronzer. And I'm just kinda gonna go into both sides. Kind of just going like circular motions. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics. Yes. Perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and go back in with our sponge, and we're just kind of like gonna tap out all the excess powder. For my blush, I'm gonna be going in with the Benefit Coralista. I'm just gonna smile and kind of pull it up. All right, so now that we've got our whole face done and everything, we can go back to our eye. We're just gonna be going in with the Ruby brush again and the color Henna. And we're kind of just gonna focus on the bottom. And I like it because it kind of has like a tapered end, so that way we can really like get in there without like putting too much product in. With the same brush, I'm gonna lightly take some beaming and just kind of slowly tap it in here into our inner corner. All right, now we're gonna go in with the light amount of mascara, just kind of on the ends. Okay, so I'm looking a little bit like matte and a little bit dry, so I'm gonna be going in with some lotion, and I'm gonna be using this one from Delectable by Cake Beauty. And you guys, honestly, it smells so good. It's coconut and cream. It smells so good, and I really like it because not only is it cruelty free, but it's also like fast absorbing. So I like to do this, like add some lotion before I add highlight, because you know we're wearing like one of these little shirts right here, so we definitely have to add a glow. So what I like to do is I like to add some lotion and then to prep it so we can be like nice and smooth and hydrated, and then on top of it we can go ahead and add the glow. I can't get over how good it smells. It also has coconut oil, shea butter, and aloe vera, so we're gonna be keeping ourselves real smooth, real nourished. It already looks kind of glowy, right? Yes. Okay, so now that we have prepped our skin, we're nice and hydrated, nourished, all that good stuff, we're gonna go in with our highlighter, and it's right here. All right, so I'm just gonna be going in with my favorite highlighter, or one of my favorite highlighters. This one is from Ofra, and we're just kind of, deceased. Do you see that? Wow. Are you guys looking at this? Is anybody looking at this? Wow. Oh my God, the difference that it makes. Yes. We're gonna go in here. Look at that one, looks so sad. This one is living. Sad, living, sad, living. Okay. But it really does help that you like prep it with like a lotion or a body cream. And now, to like prep our face, we're gonna go in with the MAC Prep and Prime. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in here. Yes. Gotta smooth that out. And since we are gonna be taking pictures today, obviously we're gonna go like have a little bite to eat and stuff, and we're gonna go take pictures, so you know we have to be super, super glowy. Obviously for spring we want to be like super glowy. I'm sure that you can see right now that it kind of looks like it's like harsh, like a harsh glow, but we're just gonna go in with our sponge after, and it's just kind of gonna like, everything's gonna settle in perfectly. Yes. So it kind of settles it out a little bit so it doesn't look as harsh. All right, so for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with this lip liner from Jordana, and it is in the shade Sexy Mauve. And today we are gonna be using a gloss, and it's like a light pink gloss with like glitter in it, and it's just like the perfect like summer spring shade, I feel like, just because it has glitter and it's very glowy, and glowy is in. All right, so now we're gonna go in with my gloss, and this one is from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, and this is, I love how this stuff smells. It kind of smells like like the Dum Dum Pops, like the popcorn scent. It honestly smells like vanilla popcorn, and it's amazing. And this is in the shade Nude Beach. It's like a light pink with like gold shimmer. It's honestly so beautiful. And I can kind of see the shimmers. So we're just gonna blend it, like blend the liner. And you see how it kind of creates like a dimension on the bottom. So pretty. And I really like this because it's not sticky, because there's nothing worse than sticky lip gloss, because I'm gonna have my hair down and I don't want it to like stick to my hair. It's like a whole thing. It smells so good. All right, so now we're moving on to my hair, and I'm really excited to show you guys because I actually got a haircut. You guys had probably seen my hair, and it was long, but it was just so like brittle and damaged. So yesterday I had to do some me time. We had a little girls' night. We did some hair masks, and I feel like it looks really, really good. You guys know that I use a lot of product on my hair, so that does kind of take a toll on it because it just can get really like dry, brittle, nasty. So it is important that you condition and really like take care of it. So I use the Theory Detoxifying Hair Mask, and I really like how my hair feels. It just feels like super, super soft. It feels so clean because, like I said, using so much product, I feel like your hair definitely does need like a nice detox. So I'm so excited. I hope that you guys liked it. I didn't really do anything to it today. Yesterday, Edson actually curled it, and today I just kind of like retouched it with a little bit of curl, but what do you guys think? All right, so for my hair, we do want to add a little bit more volume, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in here, and I'm gonna go in with Big Sexy Hair powder play. I absolutely love this. And we're just gonna like tap it in lightly. And even though it looks a little bit ratty, like at the end, it comes together. Such a difference. This side is like, yes, give it to me, and then this side is like, I don't want it, you know? So we're gonna go over here. It's honestly so crazy the difference that a hair mask can do, because obviously when you wash your hair, like you wash your hair, but I feel like sometimes I put so much product in my hair that like all of the hairspray and all of the gunk doesn't really come out. So right now I feel like my hair's never been cleaner. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much again to Ipsy and the brand partners for hooking me up with all these products from this month's glam bag. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys next time.